Lindsay, come on, hurry up.
It is and we're in Cancun, Mexico. I'm super excited. Look how beautiful this place is. I'm so ready for this vacation.
Thank you. Lindsay.
Pedal to the metal. How are you today, family? Good? Good.
Lights on. How do you turn the lights on?
Lights on. Clap, clap.
Hey, turn the lights on. Wait, this is ours too? Holy crap! Okay, wait, this is our room. This is,
They got a hot tub too.
oh my gosh.
This is lit.
Get off the bed like that.
Okay, everyone, so let me do a tour of my room. We got the presidential suite. You walk in, this is the bathroom. So, toilet, shower, the mirrors, the sinks. Then you walk into here. This is the double bedroom. This is where me, Lindsay, and my brother are sleeping. Down the stairs to the jacuzzi, out to the...
You find sleeping in this bed here, or do you should be getting a roll?
And then this is the living room. Got a nice like dinner table looking thing. We have a bar, alcohol, and then coffee machine, microwave. And then you come down this way, and there's another bathroom. But this is just a regular bathroom, no shower or anything. And what is this? Oh, another closet.
What? Yeah, they have Xbox!
They have an Xbox?
They have an Xbox!
Come down the stairs. There's our couch.
We could request it.
An Xbox that Ryan's obsessed about right now.
And if you want, there's any games that you want. Oh. Yeah, they're not already on there? Oh, I don't know.
Back up the stairs.
I don't know how that shit works.
And into the master bedroom. This is my parents' bedroom. They have another jacuzzi in here with a bottle of wine. And then this is their bathroom. This is their sinks, their toilet, their shower, a giant mirror, and then a walk-in closet. Like, it's a walk-in closet. That's awesome. And then quickly outside, downstairs. And this is the swimming pool. What are you eating, Lindsay?
Chicken fingers.
Okay, everyone, we're going to explore. Oh, okay. Look how pretty that is.
Right?
Are we ziplining tomorrow?
Yeah, we're ziplining. No, not
You're
tomorrow. I
ATVing
think
to the cave.
tomorrow we're just gonna be doing a bunch of explore stuff. We're gonna go in the pool, the water park.
Wait, I want to find where like the mini golf thing is. Oh, that's a wedding. Is someone having a wedding down there?
Yeah.
Okay, we can't go down there.
Here comes the bride.
Ryan, we're not going down there. We are not interrupting their wedding. Let's go.
I wonder if you're allowed to slip.
Steal it.
Another pool.
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I do not know what to do.
Let's go. Wow, you didn't pick us up. Oh, here's another one.
They don't call it a foreign country for a reason.
Oh, foreign country. It's foreign because I don't know anything, you know? A guy tried to talk to me in Spanish, and even though I took 4 years of Spanish, I didn't know anything. So I said, no habla español, and the most of my Spanish is basically, hola, ¿cómo estás? Estoy bien, ¿y tú? Tonight we have a reservation for a restaurant that I honestly have no idea, but apparently it's a steakhouse of some sort. I don't know where to go in. Oh, there's an entrance right there. Okay, nice bowling. Oh, here's bowling.
Oh, is that one? Is it straight?
Oh, and that's an auditorium.
Yo, we're just taking one real quick.
I don't think we can. I think you need a reservation.
Because it looks like some lines, you know.
You go, Granny. You bowl. Woo! Go, Granny.
That was a strike. Ready? I'm gonna bowl, everyone.
Right, Lindsay? Ready? Strike! Strike, Lindsay. The bar. Hi, and out.
Oh my god, stop. No, I'm not recording you.
Mama shark, Daddy shark,
I'm not recording you anymore.
I just want to find the all-you-can-eat macaroons, okay?
I don't think they're all you can eat though. Are you sure about that? Are you sure about that?
Look at the flavors first. Oh, wait, are they? super good. Well, we can order right now, right here, or try it. This is so freaking good. I'm in heaven. I'm in heaven. All right.
Okay guys, listen. I'm gonna be really fat by the time I leave this trip because I'm probably coming back here every day because those macaroons and that chocolate was super good, and we still didn't even try the ice cream and the sugar cookies that are here too, and the cakes and the cannolis. I'm gonna be here every day. I'm gonna be here every day, and I'm gonna be fat. I'm gonna leave this place bloated, and I'm gonna gain 15 pounds just being here. Forget the freshman 15. I'm gonna get the summer 15.
Where are we going now, Lexi?
We're gonna find the bowling alley and the mini golf and the arcade. Oh wait, we already have the bowling alley. We're trying to find mini golf and the arcade. It's nighttime, but we are at the water park. So this is apparently the lazy river. It's very, very tiny.
Lexi, I'm gonna jump it.
You are not jumping it. You're gonna fall in. too old to go on the bumper cars because I'm 18 and not 17.
Okay everyone, that's it for today's vlog. Tomorrow we're not really going to be doing much, so I probably won't be vlogging tomorrow, but definitely Tuesday we'll be doing a lot of things. We're going to do an excursion, so see you guys then.